Good evening. This video is going to discuss about subdivisions of standards. So there are four types of standards are there: primary standards, secondary standards, tertiary standards, and working standards. Already, other than this standard, some of the other standards also is there. That is for in the local inspection they can use for the particular standards, but these are all the main standards that we are going to see now. Then comes into the first one, primary standard. Before that, we people know that what is standard. Standard is something has to be set by the authority, that is you can call it as standards. In the primary standards, so in the primary standard means that is the imperial standard, and rapid prototype meter is called as primary standard. So that has to be preserved in the certain degrees temperature, like 0 degree centigrade for the rapid prototype meter and 62 degree Fahrenheit for the imperial standard. Yeah, okay. And also that is in the careful condition, and also it is made up of some high strength materials. So those material should not oxidizable, as well as that is the hardened, and also it does not have the molecular changes. So for the particular material, those kind of material has to be made for the primary standard. Okay, so in the primary standard, with help of primary standard, we are not going to measure any of the component. This is for measuring the standard purpose, okay, or comparison purpose, calibrating purpose only we can use this primary standard. That calibration also we can done only in the 10 years or 20 years once only. So those calibration we can done with the secondary standards. Okay, so we are not going to calibrating with the other standards. The primary standard we are going to calibrate with only the secondary standards. In the particular intervals they can take, and they'll check it, and again you can store over here. So that is the use of the primary standard. So this primary standard is only going to check for the dimension, that particular standard, the dimension has to be uh, correct or not. So for that purpose only it has to be placed over that. This is about the primary standard. Then we are going to discuss about the secondary standard. And before that primary standard, it is made up of high grade materials. Like if you take down the rapid prototype maker, like a platinum iridium alloy, and also if you take down the this one, imperial standard ad, it is made up of like bronze bar, tin, and copper, sorry, zinc. So these are all the materials it has to be made over there. Okay, then comes into the next one. So secondary standard is the close copy for the primary standard. So this also made up of almost close relation with the secondary standards. Maybe the material small changes it may be there, and also it has to be kept totally in the four places. And also this also they are not used for the any other practical purposes. This has to be calibrated with the primary standards with frequent intervals. And also any doubt in this one, we are going to check with the primary standards. And also this has to be, if any problem with the tertiary standards, that we are going to check with the secondary standards. So this also placed in the safe area, as well as this can be used as a standard. Suppose if primary standard get damaged or lost in those things, this will be used to measure the standards. Okay, so for that the secondary standards used. So this also not applied for the practical purpose. This will be calibrated with the primary standards. Okay, so usually in the region wise it has to be placed for that. So totally four number it has to be placed over the things. Then comes into the tertiary standard, so it will be placed in the national laboratories in the each of the countries. Okay, so if any problem it may occur in that tertiary standard, this has to be calibrated with the secondary standards, and also periodically calibrated with the secondary standards. And if any uh, yeah, on the working standards, do you have any doubt that it has to be calibrated with the this tertiary standards? Okay, so that is the use of this tertiary standard. So every country, it has to be placed over in the national physical laboratory for this tertiary standard. Okay, this also frequently calibrated in the particular years. Okay, so uh, then comes into the working standards. So it also similar design for like primary, secondary, and tertiary standard, but it is made up of the low grade materials. So mainly this working standard is used to working standards is used to check the measurements within the components and other things. Okay, so this will be used in the metrology laboratory. So this can be preserved in the certain air conditioning room, and with the help of this only we are going to checking the measurement over there. Okay, this will be calibrated with the tertiary standards at frequent intervals. Okay, and also it is made up of low cost material. So due to that, the cost of this working standards, it will be comparatively, it will be minimum to the other standards like working primary, secondary, and tertiary standards. So this will be placed in the metrology lab, and also this will be calibrated with the other standards. Okay, then comes into the some other types of standards, like other type of standards also available: reference standards, calibration standard, and inspection standard, working standards. So these are all the standards which will be used in the measuring purposes. So reference standard, it can be used for the reference purpose. Okay, and also the calibration standard is used to the inspection and the working standards. And also the next one, inspection standards, it is used for the inspector, that for to measuring purposes the inspection standards it will be used. And working standards, it will be used for in the operators to measure the components, like to measure the components, or to measure the material or some other areas, it can be used over here. So these are all the other types of standards which is used. Mainly this type of standards, it can be used for the closely relate to measure the dimensions for the components and the other thing. Okay, so this can be used for the inspectors, operators, as well as to calibration purpose. These are all the standards it can be used there. Okay, this is about the standards, that is the primary work, primary, secondary, and tertiary, and working standards. So primary is the I, secondary is the next to the primary, tertiary is the next to the secondary standards, and working standards is the used for in the meteorological labs, that also preserved in the certain conditions. Okay, that is next to the tertiary standards. Okay, so these are all the standards are available for the standards. Okay, so thank you.